just want you to show me some love. Whip, got it, whip, got it, got it. SBF, got it.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity Shantae if you are new here, and thank you for clicking on this video, honey. But today I'm going to try to start off with a weekend vlog, okay? Hopefully I can do it. We're gonna see. So it's finally the weekend. Yes, we're gonna do a weekend vlog. Today is Friday, of course, and it is officially the weekend because it is 5 o'clock. I just got off from work. I'm about to take my bonnet off. I have been working from home, so I get to look like this when I'm at home. So I already got dressed. I don't have on nothing special, but I do just have on a white tee. It is cold outside, okay? So I got my little teddy coat that I'm finna put on. But hold on, let me do my hair. Like, ever since I got my hair done, I was wearing it in like a flip over, whatever. But today I started to try this middle part, and I'm liking it, okay? I'm feeling myself. I'm gonna put on my black boots. I'm about to go and get my nails done today because, y'all, my nails look a hot mess. Focus. And this one is lifting, and my pinky is lifting. I want to put on some lip gloss so bad, but it's a pandemic and we have to wear masks, so ain't no sense in me putting on no lip gloss. Let me go ahead and get my coat on so I can go. This is my coat and I love it so much. Purse is in the kitchen. Take my comb. Have my little tripod so I can take with me. Camera is fully charged, so we good to go. Oh, I'm so excited to be filming back on my camera. Last vlog, it was like a maintenance week, but I didn't get my nails done. I haven't like filmed me getting my nails done in a long time. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm so excited to be filming back on my vlog camera instead of my cell phone. There's nothing wrong with filming on your cell phone. This camera is so much better quality. Like, I have a iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's okay. I might just need to just clean my lenses. Probably all it is. So I just made it to the nail shop. It is so packed. Sometimes I go in there and they're like, okay, you can just sit down, but I wanted to chat with y'all before I went in there. Oh, this is cute. Y'all, look at that. That's real cute right there. I usually go on Pinterest, so let me show y'all what I'm doing. I usually go on Pinterest and I look at my boards, my pins or whatever it's called. So these are all of the nails that I do love. I think I want like something with some crystals, like this one right here. Some crystals, so that's cute. I think I want to go something like this because I do have the pink and white ombre going on. So I think that's why I want to kind of stick with that, because I don't want them to change that pink and white. Y'all, I've been wanting something like this for the longest, but my nail salon cannot do this for some reason. They say it's too much work. So I'm about to go in here and I'm about to put my name on the board, and they might tell me I can sit in there, they might not. If not, then I'm coming back to the car and just chill until they call me. Y'all, there's so many people in there. I went ahead and signed my name on the board, but I swear it's like 8 people ahead of me, and they only have 2 nail techs in there. What y'all think? Should I wait or should I not? And all the way down the line, it was just like full set, full set, full set, full set. I'm like, dang! The reason why I came today, late Friday evening, we're supposed to be going out of town tomorrow, so I wanted my nails done. I knew we was gonna leave early tomorrow, so I don't know how we're gonna do it. I don't know, y'all. I never did get my nails done. I sat there for an hour and a half. It is now 6:30. They close at 7, so I don't want to get in there and they, you know, about to close. I mean, they want their weekend too. I'm just going to just probably get up in the morning and go and get my nails done because I got to do it. I got to do it this weekend. If not, my nails gonna fall off. I'm actually gonna go to the liquor store because I mean I want a little drinky drink. I don't know if I want wine or I want Hennessy. I don't know. We're gonna see. Hey y'all, so it is later in the day. It's about 8:40. I've just been chilling around the house, but now, you know, I had told y'all I went to the liquor store, so I got some wine. So let me show y'all what I got. This is like one of my favorite wines that I have been drinking. It is the Roscato Rosso Dolce sweet red. So I love this wine. It's not sweet, but it's not too sweet, and it's like give you a little buzz, you know, so it does the job. If you like the Stella Rosa Black, it's not as sweet as the Stella Rosa Black, but I don't know. I think this is better. I drink that when, you know, I can't get access to this because, you know, Stella Rosa Black, they sell that in the grocery stores, gas stations, but this right here, you only can get it at the liquor store or I'll... Cheers. Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday morning. I am about to get ready to go and get my nails done. I hate washing my face like this. That's the only thing I hate about these lash extensions. Without them, I'll be down in the sink, okay? I was supposed to wake up earlier this morning. Fun fact about me, I'm not a morning person at all. Have y'all heard about this Instagram, I think it's called the grwm. This girl, she has been selling this hair oil on her Instagram. I had already signed up for the notifications for the restock because every time I would go on there, they would be, you know, out of stock. So I was just like, okay, well, let me sign up for the emails. And so I signed up for them. I got the notification this morning. I almost forgot about it. I've been waiting on it. But yes, like I woke up just in time to order it. It's actually supposed to be this hair growth oil that's supposed to grow your hair in 7 days. We'll see. I don't know. Actually, a lot of people with alopecia and stuff put their reviews on it and said that it worked. So I don't know, we're gonna see. I just wanted to try it. I mean, who doesn't want longer hair and thicker hair? I actually want my hair to be thicker. So if it does that, that's all I would want, because my hair is kind of fine. So when I do certain styles, it doesn't, you know, look as thick. That's what I ordered this morning. I think it was like $19.99. It was $19.99 for a 2-ounce bottle. So we're gonna see. Comment down below if you heard about the oil and if you tried it, and let me know how it worked for you. Yeah, those are cute. This is cute, but it is too long. All the jumpsuits are never for petite people. Hey y'all. So, as you've seen, I don't know in the last clip, but we went into some stores. It is now probably around 9:40, almost 10 o'clock. I'm tired, been driving all day. First of all, it wasn't a good shopping trip because it really wasn't nothing to see. I didn't get but a few things. My camera is about to die, so I might have to show y'all in the morning. Yeah, I'm about to chill. I'm about to drink some wine. We had a horrible experience at our restaurant that we had. I was going to show y'all the food, but it wasn't no food to show. I had 8, but my sister and my mom didn't get a chance to eat because their food never came. The waitress was horrible. She kept getting our order wrong, so we didn't pay nothing. Texas Roadhouse, so I don't know. We always go there after we finish shopping, but I don't know if we're gonna go there too many more times. I have to get ready, get in the shower and go to sleep, wash my face, and just, you know, just chill. It's Saturday night. I don't do too much. You know, it's Corona going on, so I don't go out anymore. I have to pop this Roscato. Y'all comment down below what's your favorite wine that y'all been drinking on. I do want to find different wines. I typically reach for the red wines. So drop down below your favorite wines. And my camera about to go dead, but I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, beauties. Well, it's afternoon. I just been up chilling in the house, watching TV, ate breakfast earlier. I'm about to get up, start my day. I'm still in my robe, but that's what I do. I wanted to come on here and tell y'all what I got from my little shopping experience yesterday. The first thing that I got was from Home Goods. This is like a little makeup organizer. I've been wanting one of these. I got this for $39.99. I want to put the makeup products that I usually grab for, like that I really love and that I grab for every time I do my makeup. And another thing that I bought was this Laneige, I hope I'm saying that right, lip sleeping mask, and it is in the flavor berry. I tried this last night for the first time and it's actually pretty good. Like, my lips are so soft. Like, I've been using the Burt's Bees. They have a sleeping mask as well, the Burt's Bees ones I got from Walmart. It works, but not like this. This feels so moisturizing putting it on. I don't know if y'all know, but they sell this in Sephora. I seen this and I looked it up and I was just like, I ain't paying that much for this. Let me tell y'all how much it costs though. Let me look it up. This sleeping mask on Sephora costs $22. And I paid $14.99 for it because I had seen it at one time before in one of my TJ Maxx here, but I didn't want to pay for it. I was just like, I don't need that. And then I seen it again on somebody, like I said, on somebody's YouTube page, and I was just like, dang, I wish I could see it in TJ Maxx, because you know, if you see something in TJ Maxx and you don't get it right then, it's gone. So I'm glad I went to the TJ Maxx and I found it. Oh my gosh, I was just like, I'm about to get up, y'all. I'm about to get up. I don't know what I'm doing today, but I know I need to go to Walmart because I want to find some daylight bulbs for my bedroom and my bathroom, so when I do these vlogs it won't be that yellow tinted light. So I want to change that because I want good quality vlogs for you guys. I really do. I enjoy making videos, even though, you know, we're a small family right now, but you know, we're growing. I want to do this for y'all. I really do. I enjoy it. I enjoy editing. I enjoy filming. Sometimes, you know, with filming I am a little nervous still, which is, you know, cool because I am new at this. So, but I do enjoy it. I really do. I'm about to get ready to go out and about, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Hey beauties, so I am back. It's later on in the day. I told y'all I was gonna bring y'all back and show y'all how I was gonna set up my vanity. So this is what I have in my makeup compartment on my vanity. So the first drawer, I just have the blushes that I normally reach for, the bronzers and the foundations. The second drawer, I just have my concealers that I normally reach for. Then I have like my setting powders and my primers over here. Then in this drawer, I have my essentials that I use for my brows and some mascara. And then in this drawer, I have my favorite lip glosses. Alright y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And as well, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to stay beautiful inside and out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!